I ain't never been no hater. Even if I don't like a person. Hey burpees, welcome back. Hey burpees, don't do what? You know what? Hey burpees, it's been a minute, but I'm back again. Da-da. Anyway, hey guys, welcome back to my video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. My name is Shaynichelleeats, but you can look up Shaynichelleeats and I'll be up there too. But anyway, that's another story. So today what we're gonna be eating is, oh shit, it's hot. My bad. It is hot though. So I made Rapokki again, guys. And this is the Rapokki that I had bought from Costco one time, but this time I ordered this one off Amazon, and it comes with like the 3 packets of noodles and the 3 packets of rice cakes. And I added some cheesy. Can you see? I wonder if I put it on something, can you see it? But either way, bomb. So yeah, what's up, guys? It's been a minute. For all you guys that don't know me, I'm Shay Shay, and I love noodles. I have a problem. Can y'all hear Encanto in the background? Because my girls watch it every single day. So yeah, what's up? I literally just made this. Baby, it's hot, okay? Ooh, it's steaming. Look at that cheese, boo. Ooh, yeah. I'm gonna try it while it's hot too. Oh, I don't want it to be on my mic. Hold on. Okay, there we go. Hopefully it's not on it too crazy. Let's try this. Oh, I got my hair in it. Oh no, that's cheese. Wait. No, that's definitely my hair. Hey. If I was in a restaurant, I would have been blown like, put your wig up, ho. I had to make sure. Okay, let's get some of this honey. Woo! It's hot. That's hot, but it's so good. So guys, like we start everything. What's new? Me, you know what I'm saying? I've been active. I said for 2022 I was going to be very much active, and I am. I started a new TikTok, so go follow that, especially if you love my burps. It's called shaynichelleeats right here. Bam. Go follow me. I post every single day, burps and all. So you know, go get some of that. Go get some of that. What else? I started a series called Trauma Tuesdays that I really. You done? I started a series on Instagram called Trauma Tuesdays that I really love, honestly. Y'all know I'm always pushing mental health. Y'all know I'm always talking about getting a therapist, you know, talking to somebody. So this actually just came about organically, and you know, people come up and they tell their traumas. I really love it. Like I don't even know how to explain it. It's just so dope how it comes together. So that's every Tuesday night, Instagram, at shaynichelleeats, my main page. So if you're ever not doing nothing, come through. You know, come share your story. Just come listen. It's really good. Oh no, rice cake, come back. I keep eating, my hair is blowing me. Y'all see that? Ooh, this is really good. Like, what I'm gonna leave the description in the bio below. I mean, in the description where I got this from, so y'all can order it straight from Amazon. It's so good. It is spicy, but it's like nowhere near spicy like them other noodles I be eating, but it's spicy. Oh, that's so good. Let's do some. Ooh, look at that. Oh no, I dropped it. You already know. Okay, good. Look at my nails. These are press-on nails. Literally from Kiss. Got it from CVS because I was like, oh, I need to do my nails right. I didn't have time to get my nails done. Baby! You couldn't even tell. You can't even tell. So that's always like a, am I ever going to go back to the nail salon? Probably not. Honestly, maybe just to get my feet done, but baby, $6.99 over $95 any day. I'm so mad because I don't have no more Topo Chicos. And it's just like, excuse me, I can't find Topo Chicos anywhere. And y'all know I love me a Topo Chico. Ooh, my little cord is in the way. Yeah. If you've never had Rapokki rice cakes, I think it's called Debaki, something like that, and different ones. The texture of a rice cake is so damn good, bro. Like, I don't even know how to explain it. Like, it's just, ooh. It's really bomb. Have you guys checked out my latest video? I didn't drop it. I dropped it last week. We were talking about some sexual things. We were talking about some sexual things. Well, we were talking about, you know, just topics that people be wanting to know about, honestly, and like have questions about. And I really want to say thank you to my girlfriends that came on the show, or on my video, and you know, it really expressed their feelings. Yeah. Oh, excuse me, that was a good one. That's it. But yeah, go check that out if you haven't. You know, what I'm starting to realize that, well, not starting to realize, it's really what I already know. A lot of y'all are not like real with yourselves. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know how that saying goes, like, you know, fake it till you make it. But some of y'all never gonna make it, so y'all always gonna fake it. And that sucks. And I know it's not easy to be yourself because it's just easier to be somebody else. And I get that. But you should really try to be yourself. Like, accept everything that comes with you, everything you are, accept things that you can or cannot change. Like, really just accept who you are and stop faking it for the gram. Stop faking it for social media. Stop faking it for anybody. For real. It's just not gonna work out for you. And I promise you, as much as you wanna fake it until you make it, someone will always tell. I promise you that. I just went to the back of my throat. Those rice cakes are so damn chewy. And you know what else I've been peeping? It's a lot of y'all that's showing a lot of that fake love, but really deep down, it's the hate in you. Fix that. Fix that, young, because what do y'all get by hating on another person? Even if they don't do nothing that you do in your life, what do you get from hating on them? You spent that much time hating on them when you could just be doing something new for your life? Bruh. It's just certain things I don't get. Excuse me. If they doing something, like I say, that pops up around me and it's tight, I'm gonna be like, yeah, they tight. I mean, fuck that person. But if whatever they're doing is like, damn, that's tight, I'm not gonna hate. I'm not gonna hate. It's just like when people be hating on pretty girls. Don't hate, congratulate, and keep it pushing. You don't gotta like everybody, but you don't gotta fucking hate on people. That shit is so irritating. I really just wanted to address that because I've been seeing that a lot more lately. The love ain't really genuine. The hate is starting to seep out your pores. And it's just like, relax, baby boy. Relax, baby girl. It's going to be okay. It's not your time. You don't have to hate. For real. You don't have to hate. And then, sorry, because I'm about to speak my shit today. And then, y'all hop on anything. I swear, listen, y'all hop on anything that's popping. Now everybody, and when I say everybody is on their spiritual journey. It's like you don't say good morning no more. You have to say grand rising or this, or I do crystals. And it's just like, whoa. Now, again, I'm not hating on what you do, because if that's what you do, it's what you do. But it's just like, where did that come from? Because yesterday he was saying good morning. Now today he's like, I'm not morning nothing. I'm in a rich rising. I'm in a grand rising. And it's just like, okay, whatever you say, bruh. I'm not like that. I'm going to say good morning. Because I have not done my research on why I can't say good morning, I'm going to continue to say good morning. Like, what the hell? First off, shout out to all my new followers. Hey, it's Mshayshayeats. Thank you. Thank you for, subscribing to me. Thank you for watching me. Thank you for whatever you like to see. Thank you. Okay? Thank you. These are so good. I don't see how much I got left. I know I can't even show y'all, but I'm crushing. Just know I'm crushing. And now when I make my noodles, like if I make any type of spicy noodles, I automatically now, when they're boiling, add milk and cheese just to give it like a creamier taste and to make it like a more carbonara type of feel. Because if one thing this bitch love is motherfucking carbonara. Noodles. Excuse me. Oh. Okay, here we go. January about to be February. And I only stepped in the gym like twice. Oh my gosh. Look at those chewies. I love that shit, yeah. That shit tastes so fucking good. Again, I'm going to put the link down below so y'all can try it if y'all want to order it, if you have Amazon Prime. If you don't have Amazon Prime, but that's where I got it from, so I can't help you. So, I'm back in therapy. I'm happy. I'm getting the boys therapy now because I feel like, I just feel like, my boys are like teenage years. One's a preteen and one's a teenager. And, growing up, I was still like a youngin'. You know what I'm saying? I was still ratchet, still doing crazy shit really with them and not really being the mom that I was supposed to be. And I've always been like very cold-hearted. I've always been a very cold person. So I don't know if that could have already hurt them or triggered something in them as growing up. So what I'm trying to do is like cancel that now before they get into manhood and like do that to another woman. You know what I'm saying? Because I don't want to be the one to be like, oh, Shay got these boys and they just out here, excuse me, causing a ruckus on these women. And this is like, not my kids. But it's true because, excuse me, when you really think about if a man is like unemotionally available, abusive, narcissistic, not available for love, a cheater, or whatever the case may be, you have to think back who raised him. You know what I'm saying? Like, who do we put the blame on for this man that's not able to show my daughter love or my son love? You know what I'm saying? So it really goes back to the parenting. And I hate when we don't like to, take accountability. And I don't know if y'all know, but that was the word for the year, is accountability. I personally am not blaming or putting my faults or anything on anybody else. If I can't do something, it's because I can't do it. Not because that person was not around, not because that person was in my face. No, I couldn't do it. You know what I'm saying? So I really think that we should really take more accountability as parents, one more time. As human beings, to stop blaming each other and just worry about yourself, change yourself, change your scenario, and don't look for anybody else to help you change it. If someone else helps you change it, then cool, but you still have to do your own work. You know what I'm saying? It's just so chewy. It's so chewy and I love it. So this is how much is left, even though y'all can't see. That's how much I got left. Oh, so what else is new, y'all? That's really it. If you're not already following me, follow me on Instagram. I kind of feel like majority of you are. I feel like most of y'all come from Instagram, and then some of y'all came on your own. So, but if you're not, please follow me on Instagram. I really want this Trauma Tuesdays to really be. I really want this Trauma Tuesdays to be like something big. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try to do 4 rice cakes in a row in my mouth. Oh, I can only pick up 2. I can only pick up 3. It's just so damn chewy. I just love it so much. For real. But yeah, y'all gotta stop being haters. Like, that's just really big on my heart. Because I'm trying to tell y'all, I've really been seeing that shit lately. And it's just like, wow, y'all just be hating, trying to throw subliminals, trying to do anything. Me, I'm not about to throw no subliminal. If I want to talk about you, I'm going to talk about you. And I'm going to at you. Or I'm just going to tell you. You get what I'm saying? Because I just want to let y'all know. Dimming another person's light will not make you shine brighter. I don't know who told you it would, but it won't. It won't. No matter what you do. If your light is not as bright as that person, then you might have to do something else. But don't hate on that person because they motherfucking shining. Yeah. Excuse me. Like, seriously, bruh. I can't. I can't. Yeah. Excuse me. Yeah. Excuse me. Another reason I love this dish, they give you so many rice cakes. They don't skimp you. I'm telling you right now. They don't skimp you on the rice cakeys, okay? I could just hear myself. It's just so chewy. So yeah, guys. So what we talking about this year is accountability. What we not doing is hating. And what's number 3? 1, accountability. 2, stop being a hater. 3, Be yourself. Originally. Not for the gram, not for social media, not for whatever. Be yourself. Okay? This year is about self. Stop faking. Stop all that faking. Stop it. You're never going to prosper if you keep faking the funk like this. Stop blaming other people. Accountability. It's you. You, 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 you. It's you. What was the second one? Accountability. Stop hating. Stop doing it. Stop. Seriously, stop hating. It's not that serious. If you don't like it, close your eyes. Excuse me. Seriously, if you don't like it, close your eyes. Don't even watch it. Don't even follow it. Because it's like that's insane. Imagine you following somebody that you really don't like. What? Why are you a fan? Are you a stalker? What the fuck are you doing that for? You don't even like this person. So why are you following them? Why are you watching their every move? You're not liking no posts. You're not watching no stories. You're just watching what they do. It's giving stalker. And I don't like it. Okay? I don't like it. Give me all genuineness. Give me all authenticness. Like an authentic throwback jersey. I want you to be that for me because I'm going to be that for you. Be my authentic throwback jersey. Remember jersey dresses? I never had one. And I remember I was messing with this boy in high school. He was supposed to buy me one and he never did. That nigga. Niggas be lying. Niggas been lying all my life. But I'm a liar too. Well, I was a liar. Now, you know what I do though? I ain't gonna lie. So even when I do, I'm not gonna say I fake it till I make it, but I am now more fake to certain people because I realize, excuse me, everybody can't take your realness. Everybody can't take your authenticity, and everyone can't really accept who you are. And giving them that, it's a waste. So they want to play a fake, just do it the same way. Don't even okay, cut it short because it's just no point. Seriously, it's just no point at certain times in your life. Like, those are my 3 rules for 2022. Accountability. Be yourself. Stop hating. Accountability. Be yourself. Excuse me. And stop hating. Ooh, excuse me. That was a good one. But nonetheless, I truly, truly appreciate everyone that does still watch me and stayed a subscriber for these years. You guys are amazing. If I could hug each and every one of you, I would. That's amazing. So yeah, I love y'all. Take care of yourselves. Remember what I said. I think that's it. Okay. I'm full. I want to take a nap. Yeah, I think I'm going to take a little nap. Oh, no, I can't take a nap. Because you're not supposed to go to sleep after you eat. I'm not going to take a nap, but I'm done with the video. So, again, thank you for tuning in. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Please like. Please comment. You know, it's harder now when you're on YouTube. If people really not messing with your stuff or watching it, liking it, commenting, you're not really getting no traction. So, if y'all... Because I'm about to pull up on you. I'm about to take my wig off and I'm about to pull up on you, machine. Like, for real. I'm back. So if you can, leave a comment, like a post, share a video, send a friend to a friend to subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it all the time. And for my ladies, go get you some press-on nails from Chris. These joints are amazing. I'm never going to get my nails done again, so... Like we always say, catch me on the flip side, baby. I'm not doing that, but just catch me on the flip side, baby. Bye.